Indigo Airline is facing a system outage which has impacted their flight movements. Airline customers in various airports across India have taken to social media to complain of long waits at check-in lines. Some even saying that they're unable to book flights for more than an hour as well. The All India impact was observed since about 12:30 p.m. today. Indigo says that it is experiencing a temporary system slowdown which is affecting their website booking systems as well, and warns of slower check-ins and longer queues at airports. My colleague Ishika joins us with more details. Ishika, take us through what passengers are faced with at Indigo counters in airports across India. Their websites also seem to be down.
Well, yes, in fact, Aarti, as you rightly mentioned, we did see, that there was a chaos-like situation in many of the airports where, in fact, the Indigo passengers were, in fact, waiting in long queues for the check-in, and also many have taken to social media saying that they are unable to book flights. Now, after that, the clarification has been issued by Indigo. Indigo has come out with a statement saying that they are currently experiencing a temporary system slowdown across their network, which is affecting their website and also their booking system. And as a result, the customers may face increased wait times, including slower check-ins and longer queues at the airport. So certainly, Aarti, in fact, what Indigo have also confirmed to us is that this is an all-India impact. All the flights of Indigo have been impacted by this, and this, in fact, has happened from around 12:30 p.m. as you rightly mentioned. And Indigo team, in fact, has also said that their airport team is available and fully dedicated to assisting everyone for ensuring a smooth journey. So certainly saying that the help is, in fact, is going to be provided to all the passengers who are facing difficulty from the Indigo side. But certainly it is still not clear as to till when, in fact, they will be able to resolve this issue. So that is certainly a concern that is among the passengers, because they continue to face this problem. Over to you.